27 and 7 fire control. Tech 1.
72.
ALS available.
Stand by, we can pull them out for ALS if that's what you would like.
Yeah, an ambulance from Rapids would be good.
Received. Niagara County Fire Control to Rapids. Your ambulance requested ALS to a motor vehicle accident. Mutual aid with Wendelville 4702 Beach Ridge Road between Meyer Road and Fiegel Road for a motor vehicle accident. ALS priority response is recommended. Your instant will be on FD Tech 1 on scene. Repeating to Rapids, your ambulance requested ALS mutual aid with Wendelville for a motor vehicle accident 4702 4702 Beach Ridge Road between Meyer Road and Fiegel Road. ALS priority response is recommended. Your instant will be on FD Tech 1 on scene. 103 hours fire control.